How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can simply rotate a block 45-degree in Geometry Dash Editor. So if you go ahead and click on the build option, of course, you could do this to every known block on the game itself. Let's simply choose this one. And just for fun, let's go ahead and put another block. Maybe let's try adding some spikes onto it. Now, right after, you want to simply select the edit function, and then for mouse options, you just want to make sure, or for Android devices or iPhones or generally phone itself, just make sure that the rotate option is selected and this window will show up. So instead of heading over to the edit function and from here doing something like the free rotation or this rotations right here, what you can do is to simply click on rotate. You will get this control and you could rotate it manually to the orientation that you want to, or you can head over to the edit function and then select this 45 angle right here. So that's basically how you do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.